Hey, what's going on, my friend? It's Jason Foster once more. Hope you're doing really well. Now, maybe you saw this website out there. They're calling themselves GetMonCash.club, right? And you saw the website, you decided to do some research on it because, maybe you got skeptical. You saw all these people on YouTube leaving these comments, right? So you see all of these comments, which are basically the same comments coming from different people. And they're telling you to basically go to GetMon Cash, right? And just so you understand, I'm going to show you what's going on, if you can actually make money with this, or if this is another scam online. And right now, you should already know that this is not a good website, right? So I'm going to just show you some red flags that you must know about. The first thing is that this is a non-secure website. And in Google's eyes, this is something that you should avoid. Don't trust any website whenever time you go to a website and you see the non-secure uh, part over here, this is basically saying don't trust this website. It's not secured. It's not a HTTPS, which is a secured website, like on YouTube, for example, which you see the padlock right here, shows you that this is a good website, right? But the objective of the people behind these websites, because just so you understand, there are many websites which are like identical to this. Like this is GetMonCash.club, right? And then you also have another one called this one over here. This is Best Earning Method, right? And you can see it's basically the same setup, same thing, right? Same exact thing. The only thing, the name has changed, right? Now, you as a smart person wants to make money online, and you come here, and obviously you know that no one is going to just give you $800 like that, right? No one online. I mean, how ridiculous is that to see a website out there coming? I mean, if this was true, I would be secretly earning this money without even telling you about it, right? So no one is making money from this, because look at, as an example, you put in a dummy email address here, right? And you click on the button that says add $800. You're going to see this little thing moving along. This is just a very simple code that they put on their website to let it appear to be kind of verifying your email and all your details, right? So it's not real. Now, what they want you to do, they want you to do the work for them. So they want you to go out there and copy these texts and spam it all over YouTube, right? So what this does now, this brings more people coming to their website, okay? So imagine now, like you go to YouTube, you see all of these people leaving all of these spam comments, right? People will get skeptical, and then they will go over to Google. Like when they go to Google, they do something like this: get mon cash, right? So like inexperienced people, they will go to Google, they will type something like this, and this is how people are actually landing on the website. This is how people are finding the website, and this is how people are actually going out there and spamming all these comments on YouTube, and they're not making any money at all, unfortunately. All right, so just so you understand what happens with the people behind this website, they are the ones who actually make money when you complete certain actions, right? So you call it cost per action, right? In the online business, we call it CPA. Now, this has redirected to another website. Now, this is where you have to basically click on buttons. So when you click on buttons and do things that they direct you to do, they make money that way. So in some cases, they there are going to be some stuff that you will most likely purchase, and if you purchase something, they make money that way. Okay, so just understand that this is not a way to make money online. Like if you are serious about coming online making money, you just have to understand that making money online is a real thing, right? But it requires you to have real skills. It requires you to learn how to do it properly, and then it requires you to go out there, do the work, and then you will make money. Just as if you had a regular job out there, right? And you do some work and then you get paid, it's the same online, right? But the good thing with online is that it can be simpler, right? But just be aware of all the scams on out there, and all of these fraudulent systems that brings frustration and no results. Now, since you're here watching this video right now, most likely you want to make money online, right? Now, I make money online in a legitimate way 100% real, right? And I could share my guide with you, but you really need to follow the steps inside of this guide. All right. So if you are interested in this, I'm going to put a link to this page right in the description of this video, or you can go to Google, you can type in smarthumanblogger.com. But basically, this guide shows you how you're going to make real money on the internet, online, just as I do, right? And you can come through this if you are a disciplined person and you are ready to put in action. You can get results with this, okay? So go through the guide and avoid all the scams out there. Right now, if you want to make more money as well, you'll notice that there's a link up here that says make more money. Okay, so you can always check that out as well. But these are the ways how I make money. Basically, what I do, I recommend other people's product on the internet, right? And whenever time someone purchases those products that I recommend, I actually make a commission, right? So you call this affiliate marketing. And this is why I created this guide to explain to you how it works, and people who follow this strategy actually makes full-time income on the internet. Okay, so if that's you and you're serious and you're ready to really find something that works, this is what you should definitely do. So click the first link in the description of this video to get led on to this website, and I'll be helping you out as well. You can also reach out to me anytime on my YouTube channel. Go to the about page right here, and on my about page I basically show you where you can reach out to me if you like. So you can send me an email at any of these email addresses, and I'll be happy to help you out with any questions you have regarding making money online, doing affiliate marketing. Now, in the meantime, my friend, thanks so much for watching. Remember, stay away from this website, GetMonCash.club. It's a spam, scammy website. You won't be making any money at all. Now, if you even try this yourself, leave your feedback and also leave your experience so that other people can read it and understand that this is actually not a good website. All right. But most important thing, check out the guide so that you can learn how you can come online and earn a full-time income, as I do and as many other people are doing online. So thanks again for watching, my friend. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.